In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and set up a Google Workspace account and email. Whether you're setting this up for your business or simply exploring Google Workspace's powerful productivity tools, this guide will walk you through each step with ease. Let's begin by navigating to the Google Workspace website. This is where you'll start your journey into a streamlined, collaborative environment. Once the website loads, look for the option that says Start Free Trial and give it a click. Google offers a 14-day free trial, which is a great way to explore all the features before committing to a plan. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your business name. Make sure to type it in accurately as it will be linked to your Workspace account. This is crucial for maintaining a professional identity. After entering your business name, you'll be asked to select the number of employees who will be using the Workspace. This helps Google understand your business's scale and tailor its tools accordingly. Once you've chosen the number of employees, hit Next. Now it's time to provide some personal details. Fill in your first and last name, followed by your email address. This information will be used to set up your administrator account, giving you control over all Workspace features. The next step is to decide on a domain for your email. You can select Get a New Custom Domain if you want a new one that represents your brand better, or choose to continue with an existing domain if you already have one. Opting for a custom domain can enhance your brand's image, giving your email correspondence a professional touch. As you proceed, you'll follow a series of prompts guiding you through the setup process. Pay careful attention to each screen and provide the necessary details, verifying your selections as needed. Your goal here is to reach the final screen that confirms the successful creation of your Google Workspace account. This setup process is designed to be straightforward, though if you encounter any issues, Google's support resources are just a click away. Once this is done, you'll have at your fingertips a comprehensive suite of productivity and collaboration tools, from Drive to Google Meet and Gmail, all integrated within your new Workspace environment. And there you have it. With your Google Workspace account set up, you're ready to dive into a more connected, productive work world. Remember, each feature is designed to help you work smarter, not harder, and to keep communication seamless and efficient. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has helped you feel better prepared to make the most of what Google Workspace has to offer.